delicious. Pesimoni and kiwi fruit. Thank God for this fruit. I peel it and put it here. Cold kiwi is one of the best kiwi we have to eat. When it's a big pesimoni that I peel it and put in here. Look how delicious. Yum yum. I always do some for my husband, my children, and they love it. Yum, look how delicious it is. Yeah, so delicious. Just natural fruit, nothing added. Thank God. So delicious. Let's see how yummy. Yummy. My husband always loved this kind of food. I always peel his food. Give to him, he likes it. Delicious. Look how beautiful. Yummy. Thank you for watching, and I see you more next time.